Of course, what the terrorists want is for atrocities like this to goad everyone into picking up the same mental polarising goggles they use, which divide the world into simple clumps of goodies and baddies. In reality, of course, the world isn't black and white, more like 50 Shades of Grey, a punishing story in which everything and everyone is Across the ocean, the bombastic Fox News was already wearing simple polarising goggles of its own.
We are being hunted, so how would you like for us to be protected? What message do you want to send?
I think the best thing that Americans can do is arm themselves.
Me too. How can Americans arm themselves more than they already are? What are they going to do? Glue guns to the end of their guns?
Sometimes bad guys don't look like bad guys.
Right, and that's my question about these guys, because if we know they were speaking unaccented French and they had, ski masks on, do we even know what color they were, what the tone of their skin was? I mean, what if they didn't look like typical bad guys?
Well, it's simple. You just don't open fire till you've identified them as bad guys from your handy pocket-sized skin tone chart of evil. It's also available as an app.
Hello and welcome to Justice. I'm Judge Janine Pirro. Thanks for being with us tonight. We need to kill them.
What?
We need to kill them.
What, you and me? How are we going to do that?
Bomb them, and bomb them again.
Ironically, this is a bit like being radicalised by an ideological hate preacher in a slickly produced video. Some commentators weren't just concerned about Islamic terrorists, but the whole of Islam, claiming the Islamification of Europe had gone too far, and it's time we drew a veil over it, then removed that veil and banned it. Fox News raised eyebrows by erroneously claiming Paris contains Islam-only no-go zones, then raised them even further with an astonishing exclusive revealing Britain's got no-go cities.
In Britain, it's not just no-go zones. There are actual cities like Birmingham that are totally Muslim, where non-Muslims just simply don't go in.
Yeah, Birmingham, halal on earth. Other religions don't even get a look in. There's